doing a little pack opening, just 5 packs of the newest set, Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. They just came in today, obviously, but I will be doing a booster box opening. Should be Sunday. I'll be doing a booster box opening. Reason I've been not doing one today is because they don't actually sell a whole box in my city. But anyway, first pack. Mermaid, Wolf, Rhino, that Rhino. There's a burner. Do a barrel roll. Wow. No foil. Okay. 2 packs left. Just no foils yet. I mean, it's not a big deal if we don't get a foil. I would love a foil, though. Fuck off. Sorry, language. Duck Fighter. I really didn't want a Duck Fighter. We got shiny Duck Fighter. And my good friend Beast. This one probably won't be foil either. Nice. Cool. We got an Ultra and a Super Duck Fighter. I pulled those both at my sneak peek, and that's kind of that's unfortunate. I mean, it's okay. I went up to the store, bought 6 more packs because I'm crazy. So we're gonna open these ones too. These are what I pulled from the last ones. This will be all on one video. So. Another rare. Come on, foils. Two Harpy. I have a playset of the Harpies dragons. Which I think you only run like 1. Oh yes, Mind Drain. Good card. Nice. Ultra rare Noble Knight. Go watch something. Do barrel roll. Ooh, yes! Yes! Evil Swarm tachyon. I needed, yes. That's awesome. I got one of those now. $30. Very happy with that. Nice. I got a playset of these now too for my battling boxers. And last pack. I'm happy with this actually. So and nothing. But you know what? I'm happy with one tachyon. So these are my pulls. So thanks.